back to Officially Coco. As I stated in the last short clip that I was going to show y'all about this bag. I'm in an office. I'm trying to just get along with this bag. I'm trying to get along with it. I have a white one. I think it's I think it's ivory or cream. I can't get into the color because they sold out. So they have a mini one on here because I'm looking over here on my computer. So this is the Geiger Kensington quilted leather top handle bag, okay? It seems to be like I see a little bit of color transfer. So I don't know if I like that, but it could be these eyes because, you know, look, I got 4 of them. So I'm quite sure if I see something, then it's something there. But we'll talk about that later. Should I talk about that? Okay, let's just go ahead. So I didn't like the strap, and I think I stated that in my last video. I do not like the strap that comes with this bag. It's flimsy, and I don't like it. I did purchase a couple of these adjustable strap. It just works for me. So you can adjust it as much as you want. It does it for me. It really does. So you can adjust it as much as you want. You can have it closing, or you can just have it long. So I prefer it to be, you know, either or, because sometimes I carry it by the handle. So let's get into what I have in it, because it's a little fairly fat in this area. I don't have anything in the back pocket. I usually put my phone back there, but of course I'm recording on it, so we know, y'all know what the deal is. Okay, so let's get into it. I have my car keys. Can't go nowhere unless I got the keys. I recently went to Bath and Body Works. This is one of my birthday gifts, so it's Touch of Gold, and it's body cream. I use that on my hands. What else? Y'all already know the wallets. It's always the same wallets. It's either my MCM or it is Brandon Blackwood. I've been holding on to this. I love this wallet. Then I have my K. Alley perfume, and this is the Bougie Marshmallow. I don't think I put any perfume on, so there we go. And then I have my little container. I'm thinking about switching this out. I'm in the process of finding another thing I can have my little feminine products in, but for the time being, that's what I have in here. One side I have the liners, one side I have the wipes. And then I have my Coach. This was a wristlet, but I took the wristlet part off, so I just have like my old cards in here, like, you know, when you get the COVID shots, old IDs, identification cards, things that I may need that I don't want to carry in my wallet. And then I have my Shocks headphones. So I have these. These been pretty much working, but I'm still dealing with the girl. Let's talk about the purse. And then I have my Vanilla Noel, which I got from, I had to purchase in order to get my birthday gift. So this was like $2 at Bath and Body Works. So this is my favorite scent, Vanilla Bean Noel. Got the pen in case somebody try to slip me something that I ain't supposed to be eating. You just never know. And then I have my jewelry in place. I have this lip gloss. And then I also have, I think this is Adam. I never went back to see how they pronounce it, but you get it, you know. I have that. And then I recently bought some Burt's Bee cuticle, because my cuticles been getting dry. I haven't been wearing nails for a minute, so my cuticles been getting extra dry. But since I've been using this, I've been seeing some great results. So if you suffer from like splits that look like on your skin like it's curling into a bang, then you use this. And this is the lemon scent, lemon butter cuticle cream. It's kind of expensive, but it still do the work. It's real thick. So yeah, and you smell the ginger in this. I really think it's ginger in here, because this thing, I smell like strong ginger instead of lemon. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. But other than that, I don't have anything else in here. This is pretty much everything I have. Other than that, it's a good bag. Like I said at the beginning, it is a little, I'm gonna give you my thoughts. It's a good bag. I'm noticing, and I probably didn't notice it on the other one, but I've been carrying this for about a week. I'm noticing that I do see a little bit of transfer on the bag, and most of my clothes already been like pre-washed, or you know, and it shouldn't still, I shouldn't see black on my clothes. I mean, black on my clothes. I'm supposed to see black on my clothes if I'm wearing black, but I shouldn't see black transferring on here. And I don't know if y'all can see, but it's more so in this area. I don't know if I can wipe that off, but that's the downside. I do appreciate having feet at the bottom. I do appreciate that. I really do. But I do see the bag is not, it's going more so on the darker side. But I mean, other than that, that's my only thing. And then the strap, because I did switch it out. So it's just two things. You just got to be careful with colors like that. I think after today, I'm going to put it to the side because I got a new baby coming on the way. It's supposed to be delivered around what? I have 10 to 2. I'm watching it like, you know, y'all know I love my bags. So this is going to be a Marc Jacob bag. And once I get it, then I'll show y'all the bag. It's nice. It was on sale. It was 50% off. So even if I like it or don't, if I don't, I know what my next thing to do. I'm going to return it. But I'm going to get the feel for it and put my things in and see how it go. Because I couldn't really find a video on YouTube that somebody had it. Yeah, I didn't, which is weird. So I like to do my research to see, you know, how the flexibility or the quality of it, if somebody else heard it, but child, I couldn't find one. So we're going to see what my thoughts are when I get it, and if I don't like it, then I'll be returning it. But either or, I still want to show y'all the bag. So that will be an unboxing coming to y'all very shortly once I receive it. So if y'all like this cutie, I'm sure you might have to get it off of Nordstrom, because Nordstrom Rack don't even have it. They just have the mini one, and that's way smaller. The mini one is $127.30, and I only paid, I didn't even tell y'all, $90 for this. Yeah, I paid $90. I wish I would have did this video a little sooner, but I paid cheaper. This bag was cheaper than the one I got, the cream one. I think that one was $127 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I wanted to show y'all this. I appreciate y'all stopping past and watching my video. And if it's your first time watching Officially Coco, make sure you hit that subscribe button along with the notification. That way you know I upload a video. And I'll check y'all on my next one. Live life to the fullest, y'all.